what's good, YouTube? It is your boy Lountu_SA, the most chill. So welcome back to another video, So today we're shooting at Kaya Mall, dog, just show them Kaya Mall, Yes sir. So today since we're shooting at Kaya Mall, boys, yeah, it's actually my first time shooting here, So if you're new to this channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, make sure that you like, you comment, Yeah, today I have my new cameraman, So, but I know my bro is gonna do a good job, So, we're in the Argentina share, boys, Messi is definitely winning the World Cup, boys. Again, boys, to show he's the greatest of all time. But without wasting any time, let's hop inside, dog, This might not be the busiest mall, but let's see, inside Kaya Mall right now. As I've said, I have a new cameraman today, boys. But I hope we're gonna do a good job, So yeah, dog, let's go. Hi, Sambona. Oh, sorry to ambush you. Nyapi, Lanjan. Are you good? What's your name? What's your name? Oh, Sharon. How do you join these things? Because you are promoting something. So I'm here to ask, how do you join?
I'm doing account influence.
Oh, how do I join? But why are you hiding it? Because it's a business thing. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. I'm a YouTuber. So this is my daily life. Sorry. So what? Zane. Yeah. No, this is my daily life. Like I do this for this is my work actually. Yeah. I'm recording myself. You guys are in my video. And then Zobus. I'm here to ask actually. Yeah. So how do I join?
You mean the account?
Yeah.
You need your ID, just your ID.
Only my ID.
Yeah.
What's in it for me when I join?
Sorry?
What's in it for me?
What's
in it for me? Yeah, like
no,
what?
It's an account. It's a credit card, so obvious. You buy now, you buy now and pay later.
Why are you so nervous? Am I scaring you?
No, cameras, I'm not just with my lifestyle.
Oh, you camera shy. Oh, my bad. I understand. Just tell them who subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, can I get an advice? Okay, it's okay. Can I get an advice?
Advice?
Yeah.
Advice.
Like, I'm into older women, like about my sister and stuff, So, do you think it's good for me to date someone who's older than me?
I don't know, it's up to you. How do you feel? If you are comfortable with it, then go ahead.
Go ahead.
No one is judging.
Yeah.
No one is judging you.
Oh, okay. So I can get your numbers as well, because you actually like the type of person that I can go for. No, like a person who's like, you look so matured enough that I can. Exactly, that's my point. Yeah, exactly.
I don't think
I'm not on fan of man. What do you
you prefer older women?
Yeah. So I can't get your numbers. Not really this. We're gonna live a different life, not vlogging. Okay, please tell people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, damn. We need Sharon. Oh, so but you are saying I shouldn't date older women?
I'm saying you can.
Only if I want to.
Yeah.
Okay, but you are actually my type. You're the type of woman that I can go for. Exactly, that's my point.
Now as much as
okay.
Sharoni! Or you can find someone else.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. You have a nice day, ne? Bye. Thanks for your advice, ne? But I'm still down, no? Still down for it. Let's go. Hi. How are you? No, I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging my life. I'm a YouTuber. Sorry?
So you expect me to be in it? No. Please.
The products are here. And actually we are promoting your thing. But we're not supposed to promote this thing. You're not gonna be on the video. We're not gonna promote your products. But I'm here to ask. Nah, not like that. Not like that. Malini ring lights.
Are we not selling those? It's just the perfumes. For the decoration.
Oh! Yeah, okay, my days. So here, what's going on? What's the products? What's happening here? Ukwana wamatot.
Yeah.
Oh.
Show everything. That one is the
Okay, but actually I'm here for an advice, right? Yeah. Yeah. So I wanna know if like, can I get your numbers? Yeah.
I'm into women itself.
You into women yourself, but you are my type.
See, I'm going to Namanga. He literally has me on it, and then I'm
No, like all I'm saying, look.
I'm not gonna have my friends.
Okay, we can't get her numbers, boy. Bye, ne? You have a nice day, ne? I'm recording. It seems like we can't get her turns, boys. But let's see. Let's walk around. About our ways. Let's move. It's fine. They should invite me here, boys. Invite me on the radio. Let me work for you guys. Let's try some work, podcasts and stuff. I'm promoting the FM now. Hey, dog. Let's see. Hey, to this more or less I've said, church. It's not even that busy, boy. It's not even that busy, dog.
Seems like
Yeah. And it's not, and that's not the case as well. Yeah, but anyways. You guys saw Yakai Mall is not that busy, so we're heading to the main mall right now, But if maybe this is the end of the video, please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you comment down below. It is your boy Lountu_SA, the most chilled, signing out, baby. Let's go.